Freeze-dried mango at processing factory. Harvest mango. Imagine walking into a world where the sweet, tangy aroma of mangoes fills the air. In a state-of-the-art processing factory, this tropical fruit is transformed into something extraordinary. Freeze-dried mango. It's a process that captures all the freshness and flavor of mangoes, but with a twist that makes it last longer and offers a convenient, healthy snack. The journey from harvest to freeze-dried perfection is both fascinating and intricate, requiring precision and care at every stage. From picking the ripest mangoes to using cutting-edge technology to lock in the flavor and nutrients, the process reveals the incredible effort involved in delivering that delicious, crispy bite of mango you can enjoy anytime. Harvesting mangoes for freeze-drying. The journey of freeze-dried mango begins long before the mangoes arrive at the processing factory. It starts in the tropical fields where mangoes are carefully grown, nurtured, and harvested. Mangoes are incredibly sensitive to weather conditions, and the right timing of the harvest is crucial for ensuring the highest quality fruit. Farmers carefully monitor the trees to catch the perfect moment when the mangoes have reached their peak ripeness. Harvesting is done by hand, with workers using specialized tools to carefully remove the fruit without damaging it. This is a delicate process, as the skin and flesh of the mango must remain intact to preserve both the texture and the flavor for the next stages. Once the mangoes are harvested, they are immediately transported to the processing factory to begin their transformation into freeze-dried mango. The quality of the mangoes at this stage plays a significant role in the final product. Only the ripest and freshest mangoes are selected for freeze-drying, ensuring that the end result is bursting with flavor. During this phase, it is essential to handle the fruit with great care to prevent bruising and spoilage. The mangoes are typically inspected to remove any damaged fruit, ensuring only the best mangoes make it to the freeze-drying process. This careful selection and harvesting process ensures that each mango delivers the rich, juicy sweetness that people love. Prepping mangoes for freeze-drying. Before the freeze-drying process can begin, the harvested mangoes need to be carefully prepared. First, the mangoes are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt, pesticides, or other contaminants. This step is vital to ensure that the fruit remains clean and safe for consumption. After washing, the mangoes are peeled and sliced into uniform pieces. This is a highly precise operation, as the size and shape of each slice directly affect how well it will freeze-dry. The slices need to be thin enough to ensure proper dehydration, but not so thin that they lose their texture and flavor. The perfect mango slice is one that will retain its natural sweetness and vibrant color, making the final product not only delicious but visually appealing as well. Once the mangoes are peeled and sliced, they are placed onto trays, ensuring that the slices are spaced evenly apart. This careful arrangement is necessary to ensure that each slice undergoes an even freeze-drying process. The trays are then loaded into the freeze-drying chambers, where the magic begins. At this point, the mangoes have undergone all the preparation steps required to ensure they are ready for the advanced freeze-drying technology that will transform them into the crispy, flavorful treat that millions of people enjoy. The freeze-drying process. Now comes the most fascinating part of the journey: freeze-drying. Freeze-drying is a highly sophisticated technique that involves freezing the mango slices at an extremely low temperature and then removing the moisture from them using a vacuum. The process begins by freezing the mangoes to temperatures as low as -50 degrees Fahrenheit, -45 degrees Celsius. This step helps preserve the structure and integrity of the fruit, preventing it from becoming mushy or losing its flavor during the drying process. Once the mangoes are frozen, the next step is to lower the pressure inside the freeze-drying chamber, which causes the ice within the mango slices to sublimate. Sublimation is the process where ice transitions directly from a solid to a gas without becoming liquid, and it's what makes freeze-drying such an effective method of preserving food. As the moisture is removed, the mango slices become lightweight and crispy, while retaining most of their original nutrients, flavor, and vibrant color. This process is much slower than traditional drying methods, but it results in a product that has a longer shelf life and an incredible texture. The freeze-dried mangoes now have an intense, concentrated flavor, offering an explosion of mango goodness in every bite. Packaging and quality control. After the mangoes are freeze-dried to perfection, they go through a rigorous quality control process before being packaged. The freeze-dried mangoes are carefully inspected for consistency in texture and appearance. Any mangoes that don't meet the required standards are removed, ensuring that only the best pieces make it to the final product. This quality control is crucial, as consumers expect every bite of freeze-dried mango to be of the highest quality, crispy, flavorful, and satisfying. Once the mangoes have passed quality control, they are packaged in airtight containers that protect them from moisture and ensure their shelf life is maximized. The packaging process is just as important as the freeze-drying process itself, because exposure to air and moisture can cause the mangoes to lose their texture and flavor. Advanced packaging technologies, such as vacuum sealing or nitrogen flushing, are used to preserve the freshness and crispiness of the mango slices. The final product is then ready for shipment to stores, online retailers, or directly to consumers who are eager to enjoy this convenient and delicious snack. The benefits of freeze-dried mango. Freeze-dried mango offers several unique benefits compared to fresh mango. One of the biggest advantages is the extended shelf life. Fresh mangoes can spoil quickly, but freeze-dried mango can be stored for months or even years without refrigeration. This makes it a perfect option for long-term storage, or for people who enjoy having a healthy, tasty snack on hand at all times. In addition, freeze-dried mango retains a significant amount of its nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a healthier alternative to many processed snacks. Another benefit of freeze-dried mango is its versatility. It can be enjoyed as a snack on its own, added to smoothies, sprinkled over cereal, or incorporated into various recipes, such as baked goods or granola bars. The concentrated flavor of freeze-dried mango means that a small serving can provide a big punch of tropical sweetness. For those who are looking for a natural, convenient, and healthy snack, freeze-dried mango is an excellent choice. The ease of storage and portability also makes it a popular option for outdoor activities, such as hiking, camping, or traveling. Environmental impact and sustainability. The production of freeze-dried mango also has notable environmental benefits. Freeze-drying preserves the mango in its natural form, reducing the need for preservatives or artificial additives, which are often required in other food preservation methods. Additionally, the longer shelf life of freeze-dried mango helps reduce food waste, as consumers are less likely to throw away spoiled fruit. The freeze-drying process itself uses less energy compared to traditional drying methods like sun drying or air drying, which require large amounts of energy and time. Mangoes are often grown in tropical regions, where sustainable farming practices are becoming increasingly important. By supporting the freeze-dried mango industry, consumers can help promote environmentally friendly farming and food production methods. Many companies that produce freeze-dried mango are committed to sourcing their fruit from farms that prioritize sustainability, ensuring that the environment is protected for future generations. Freeze-dried mango offers a way to enjoy a delicious, healthy product while supporting practices that benefit the planet. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.